If you're going to create a planting plan, you are of course first going to need some plants. Plant25 comes with an inbuilt library of plant symbols, all created with background information about each one that can be used later to label your plans and create reports. Using the PlantCreate tool, you can add to that library by creating your own plant symbols, which will then be saved ready for use on future projects. To create a new plant, firstly, click on the PlantCreate tool in the main dialog of Plant25. This will open the PlantCreate dialog. Then, very simply, just work your way through the displayed inputs, adding the relevant information as you go. Botanical name, category, plant height, plant spread, and colour are all required attributes, so you won't be able to save your new plant if you've not added entries for these particular inputs, but you don't have to add any of the others if you don't want to. When you get to the colour section, you'll see that you have a choice of 16 standard colours to choose from, plus a custom colour button. If you choose to add a custom colour, you'll be able to enter an RGB colour code, or click on the displayed spectrum. We do, however, recommend sticking to a relatively small palette of colours, just to avoid your plans looking too busy. For plants that are grown primarily for their foliage, choose a shade of green. For plants grown mainly for their floral interest, choose a colour that best represents the colour of their flowers. Next to the standard colour options, you'll find an Add Transparency checkbox. If you check this box, your new plant will have a reduced opacity of 25%, allowing you to be able to see through the plant symbol. This may be useful if your scheme includes underplanting beneath trees or large shrubs, and you want to be able to see those plants on your scheme without having them blocked out by the canopy above. Once you've added all of the inputs for whichever attributes you want to include, click the Save to Library button. Once saved, the plant library will be instantly updated and you'll be able to start using your new plant straight away. Remember, for more help on this or anything to do with using SketchUp as a professional garden designer, you can get in touch with us at sketchupforgardendesign.com. Thanks for watching.